everyone, Tasha here for Cat Scrappiness, and today we're introducing the new Witch's Brew die set. This die set includes several pieces that you can mix and match to create some fun Halloween cards. The first item in this set is this cauldron, and this is actually the part where you can cut out the cauldron and have a nice frame. This is great for shakers, but you can also glue it flat to a card or project. In addition, you receive the outline of the cauldron, and this is the back piece. So when you cut it out with pattern paper, it looks like this, and then you can layer the cauldron frame on top of it so that you can have a window that shows either the pattern paper or you can have shaker pieces. So this is really fun that you get both pieces to mix and match how you want it to look. Also included in the set are a pair of little witch boots, and these boots are so cute. I love the way that the toe curls over. It has such a cool design. And here's how they look cut out. And again, you have two of them, so you have one for each foot, so you can either have them next to each other. These would just be cute on maybe a card or a scrapbook layout alone. But you also have these two little buckles included in the set, so you can add these for some extra detail. And here's how they look with the little buckles. I just think they're so cute. And there's also a little indentation on the shoes, so you know exactly where to place these buckles, but again, you can put them anywhere. And I kind of like how it looks with that pop of green with the navy. It's really pretty. The next piece included in the set is the little bubbling part of the cauldron. So you receive this part that has kind of a flat bottom, and then the second die has where you have the round bubbles that goes on top. So let me show you how you place these. So you would glue the flat part behind the cauldron so it looks like whatever's being brewed up is bubbling over, and then you layer on that slimmer bubble design on top. And do you see how it gives a really cool layered look? You could also add embellishments on top of that as well. Now we're going to get into the witch's legs. We first have a solid outline. Now this can be used as is. You could also use this to cut out pattern paper. I'm just going to show you how it looks with them cut out. This is just navy blue paper. So you can use it alone with paper. You could color it in, or you can use it with different pieces in this set. There's also legs that has a stripe design. Now this stripe design again can be used as is. You could cut it out in white and color it with markers or whatever medium you want to use. Or you can cut out the stripes and add it to those solid pieces. We also have bubbles or dots or circles. And again, you can mix and match these and use them with that solid piece. So these little circles punch out. You could also put those circles inside your cauldron to be used in place of sequins. And then layered up, you have this cool two-tone look with those little bubbles or dots. And I really love this color combination as well. I really like lime green for Halloween cards. And then we also have stars, and I think this is my favorite. I love stars. And again, you can have these cut out, those little stars, and put them in the cauldron. And then when you layer them up with that solid leg piece, you get a really cool two-tone look. And this is how it looks with orange and black. And I just love those orange stars. And these are all the pieces included in the new Cat Scrappiness Witch's Brew die set. These are just so great to mix and match and create a whole bunch of fun projects. Here's how it looks completed with the legs and the shaker bits. Isn't this fun? You could use this as a treat bag even to give out on like an embellishment or on your cards and projects. Here's another card example where I'm using the cauldron with just bubbles, and I added some of the Cat Scrappiness pearls to make the bubbles all three-dimensional. So here's two ideas, just using the set in different ways. I hope you enjoyed a peek at the new Witch's Brew die set and are having a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.